What's up, you guys? This is Laura Chubbs, and welcome back to another video. So, I'm going to be reviewing, not reviewing, I'm going to be trying the Chugging Sprite without burping challenge, I guess. That's what it's called. There we go. Now, I'm gonna do it in 3, 2, 1. God, this is hard. Oh, God. I feel a burp already. No, it's not. Okay, I can't do it. Oh! That was a good one. Okay. Oh, excuse me. But anyways, you guys, I unfortunately couldn't do it, but excuse me. I unfortunately couldn't do it, but I tried my hardest, and that's all that matters. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications because there is more to come. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!